Alright guys, so this is a test long Borescope. Check it out. This is the TD500 with the two-way articulating camera. You can see if you turn the wheel here, it moves left and right. Alright, so let's put this to the test. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how this thing looks. So I got the spark plug out of the block already. Look at that image. Those are nice image right there. Wow, look at the piston. It's covered up with carbon. And the cylinder wall, take a picture. It stores on the SD card. When you're taking a video shot right now, it will record the audio. There's a speaker here somewhere at the back. And you could flip the image upside down. Depends on how the camera angle is. You could zoom in 1.5 times, regular 1.3 times. That's the regular right there, zoom. And the best is here is this wheel right here. You can turn the wheel and check the camera. It would go up right there, and you can see the valves, top of the engine. Wow. This one here is an intake. This is the exhaust, because the intake is big. The exhaust looks like we got some wet spot right there, and that's the oil from the valve stem seal. Looks like we got a leak. That's how you diagnose why I'm losing oil on this H22 right there. Leaking from the valve stem seal. Quick diagnose.